King Cake King here, ready to review another king cake from Breaux Mart. But first, I've been busy looking at these reviews for our king cake extravaganza. I'm still going through all of them. There's a lot of information here. I will post this stuff at King Cake Planet very soon. But now, let's go to our review. This is a king cake from Breaux Mart. As you can see, is praline. At the top it says pecans, brown sugar, and cream cheese. The price is actually pretty good, $10.99 from Breaux Mart. It also says to go, G-E-A-U-X. All right, so I will take my first slice here. As you can see, the baby is kind of in the middle there, suffocating. But this is a very creamy, milk chocolatey, smells real good, and has a good amount of pecans. So here we go. So cream cheese looks pretty good. Looks a little bit dry. Has some cinnamon. Let's get all the angles of this cake right here. Oof. I really like filling, and this looks pretty good. Got a couple little hollow spots there. So let's try this one. Okay. You gotta like cream cheese to like this one. Cream cheese has a little chocolatey flavor, probably because of the topping. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a rating. So what the King Cake King does, he goes through 4 specific categories. Don't worry if I have a little chocolate on my mouth, it's all good. Presentation. The presentation here is okay for me. I would give it a 7.5. Then I'll move on to the icing. The icing, pretty heavy. I think it's also a little bit above average. I will give that a 7.7. As I turn to the filling, there's a lot of it. It could be a little bit better. I'll give that an average 7.5. And finally, I'll move on to the dough, which is usually the most important. It's got some good cinnamon. It's not as wet as a mani, but pretty good. I'll give that a 7.8. The final total of this king cake, averaging out, is a 7.625. Pretty good. Check me out on Instagram at King Cake Planet, and also www.kingcakeplanet.com.